This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Google account whose history you want to keep. Open YouTube, go to Library, then History, and click Manage All History. This takes you to Google Activity Controls where you can act. Turn on the YouTube Watch History, toggle so new views are recorded, and make sure Auto Delete is set to off or a long period. You do this now because recording must be enabled before preserving anything. Otherwise, nothing gets stored to protect later. Once done with enabling recording, focus on stopping deletions. Open Auto Delete options and choose Offer a long retention like 36 months so history persists. This prevents scheduled wipes. Next, review account permissions, remove unfamiliar devices and revoke third-party apps that can delete activity, because apps with access can clear history without you knowing. Finally, prevent accidental manual clearing by informing anyone else who uses the account, or set up supervised accounts so you maintain control over history settings and deletions. To finish, verify what remains in my activity and note gaps. You can't undelete individual items from Google once permanently removed, but you can export current activity with Google Takeout to preserve what is left. If Auto Delete already ran, export regularly going forward and lengthen retention. Make sure device sync is on for browsers and apps so history writes to your account. If problems persist, double-check permissions and contact Google support for account-level anomalies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.